Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok account permanently. This video is very useful for you who wants to delete TikTok account permanently. And you have to know that this action is irreversible. Once you delete your TikTok account will not be back. Okay, if you have been sure to delete your TikTok account, let's go to the tutorial. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's go to TikTok app. Just open TikTok app. You can see on the bottom right corner, there is our product profile. Just tap this. You can see on the top right corner, there is 3-dot line menu and then just tap this. You can see here, there are many options here. You can just choose manage account. In manage account, you can choose delete account. In here, you were asked, why are you leaving TikTok? There are some options you can choose. Why do you want to leave TikTok? I'm leaving temporarily, trouble getting started, or another. I will choose I'm leaving temporarily. After choosing one of these options, you can just click continue. Download your TikTok data. We recommend downloading your TikTok data like your video posts because you can no longer download it once you delete your account. You won't be able to download content that is not stored in TikTok servers, such as your draft. If you already requested a copy of your data, wait until you download it before deleting your account. Here, you can choose to request to download your TikTok data, and then you can wait for it and download your TikTok data. After downloading your TikTok data, you can go to next. And then you can just tap by continuing you reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account. And then you can just tap continue. Here, you will be asked delete this account. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public. During deactivation, you can reactivate your TikTok account anytime. After 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. 5 hours after deleting TikTok account, in the next 30 days, you have chance to reactivate your TikTok account. And after 30 days, your TikTok account will be deleted permanently. If you delete your account, you won't be able to log in and use any TikTok services with the account. You will lose access to all your videos. Information that is not stored in your account, such as direct message, may still be visible to others. Information that is not stored on TikTok servers, such as draft, will be removed. You won't be able to download such information after deleting your account. You won't be able to get a refund on any items you purchased or received. Do you want to continue? After reading all of this, you can just click continue. Here, you have to enter your password to continue. And after entering your password, you can choose to delete your account. After tapping delete account, your account will be deactivated and you still have chance in the next 30 days to reactivate your TikTok account. If you have not reactivated your TikTok account in the next 30 days, your TikTok account will be permanently deleted. I hope this video helps you in deleting your TikTok account. If you feel this video is very useful for you, just click like or thumbs up and don't forget to share this video to your friends who need this information. If you like my videos, you can subscribe and also don't forget to turn on notification. So if I upload a video, you will be the first person I notify and you will be able to watch my latest video. Thank you.